Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today going to share with you guys the things that I decided to repurchase them. Since I started my YouTube channel, I did buy a lot of makeups. For each category I have a minimum 5 products to use. But why I still decided to repurchase them is because I miss them. Let me explain. First one is Estée Lauder. This is Estée Lauder Lip Volumizer. It's in a very cute pink bottle. And this is what to look inside. The formulation, it is really nice. It is very gel creamy in that type of texture, but it's not sticky at all. Most importantly, it is very quick to plump and hydrating your lip. You know, every time when I prepare my lips for lipstick swatches, reviews, try on hauls, I still kind of struggle to find a lip product can really efficiently to bring my lip to the best condition. I've used a lot of different lip cream, lip plumper, lip moisturizer. All of them doesn't have all the functions that I'm looking for in one. And this one is hydrate and soothe your lip very well. If you have dead skin, especially use this one. B is this is very effective and quick effective. So you don't have to use some lip cream that you have to put a thick layer or use the overnight, or some slightly lighter lip cream that, you know, give you a great shine and glow. After you remove it, you feel your lip kind of gone back to it was. The third one is the volumizer function. It is not extreme or very powerful like the Too Faced one. It is a little bit minty, a little bit cool, a little bit tingly on your lip. It is totally everyone can accept that. The volumizer function from this one is not come from really kind of like you ate something spicy and get your lip plumped up. This one seems is deeply hydrating your lip, then make your lip feel like they drank enough water and to make it plump from that perspective. After you use this one, if you need to put a lip product on top of it, then you can just gently remove it and then apply with either matte lipstick or lip gloss or any lip products you want to use afterwards. It's really smooth your lip lines and to make your lip shape nice. Next two are concealers. Not really concealer, this is more corrector, this is concealer. Let's talk about NYX one. This is very popular. I have this palette back home as well. I decided to repurchase it is because recently I find the skin conditions surround my lip area gone really dark in a way. You feel like you have like light yellow dark circles surround my lip, and every time I want to use more purple based product, I don't have that color in my current concealer palette. And every time when I want to correct this area, the first palette coming into my head is this one. Today I used this one, the formulation of NYX, this corrector. It is really creamy. I know towards winter time, some people may say it gets dry. It may happen, but what all you need to do is just massage the surface a little bit longer, get the melt with your finger temperature, and then you tap off your hand, and then you can use it on your face. This palette has pretty much all the right colors to correcting your face area. So I normally use more orange tone base for the under eye dark circle and more green colored base for correcting the redness and red marks on the face. More darker, like a couple of shades darker than my skin tones, this one to cover all the spot marks, acne marks, and then use the more purple base, the one to correcting the light yellow, that type of darkness surround my lip area. So today you can tell after I use this compared with the other side, it's pretty much evened up my skin tone. But this one I think everyone knows. Here I just want to reiterate, you do use this more colorful, more powerful colored palette before the foundation. This not supposed to be used after the foundation, okay? If you want to use a concealer before or after the foundation, go for IPSA, this one. IPSA, this concealer is a superstar product. It has been in the market for very long, and so many people recommended or using it currently by themselves. You look at the color combination, it seems fairly standard. You have like one shade darker to cover the spot marks, then you have more orange based color in the middle for the dark circle, slightly lighter pink color for highlighting purpose. You look at this, it seems fairly simple, especially if you buy any concealer product in Asia, you will find a very similar color combination. Having said that, every time when I'm highlighting my face, especially for the eye bag, smiling lines, this type of area that you need to use the concealer that matches your skin tone but slightly lighter to make it natural and effective to cover those bits. Every time when I use other concealer palette, I always have to mix colors to get to the perfect lighting color for my skin tone. I haven't found a lighting cream that I can just swipe and use. That's made me really missing IPSA, this one. IPSA, this light skin colored concealer, this is perfect for my skin tone. So if you are very light yellow skin tone and you want to highlight or you want to hide the eye bag, smiling lines, you want to highlight in those detailed area, right? If you haven't used IPSA's one, you absolutely miss something. Let's talk about pressed setting powder. I have so many choices in my current makeup collections for setting powder, and with my skin type, majority of the powders I've chosen all pretty much matte finish. But recently I really like to achieve a skin finish. I find I can easily to find that type of foundation for example, you know, the Gucci one which appeared in my previous videos, by Terry's foundation, Black Me's foundation, they all have a perfect I wanted skin finish. But the trouble is every time I need to set my face, so once I set it, it's all kind of ate most of the glow, so it's made my skin become completely matte. It's kind of a pointless having a skin finished foundation in it, and you can't keep that glow. So then made me really miss my perfect NARS pressed translucent setting powder. NARS, this one, I don't know what's the formulation they used, how they made the powder. When you look from the mirror closely, you feel it's matte finish. But when you facing a lighting, like today, when you face a natural daylight, it's a skin finish. It has a natural skin reflection on your face. It is very difficult to describe. You will have to try yourself. Today, I didn't use any highlighter product, neither cream or powder, but look closely the glow. The full face I set with NARS, this setting powder. I purposely didn't use any setting sprays because some setting spray can still, you know, impact the finish of the entire makeup. So far, this NARS is the one that I feel has that miracle. Let's put it that way. And also, by the way, a lot of people didn't like the puff that come with. I do like it. It is very, very thin, easy to just put in and travel with, very sleek. My one is the red color. I think the regular one is in the black cover. And this puff, how I use it is I wouldn't use for setting the entire face, but I find it's very, very convenient if you you hold it this way, you fold it a little bit to set the area for under eyes, surround your nose, where basically you put the concealer on. I use this puff to set those area, press in first, and then I finish with a brush. Then the last one is Clinique blush. It is the Cheek Pop Nude Pop. I miss this one a lot. It's because recently I did a lot of lipstick recommendations, lipstick swatches, try on hold, that type of video. So when I do lip product, that type of videos, I need to keep the rest of the makeup fairly natural, simple, less colorful in a way to really show the true condition and the color of the lip product. I want to have a natural but slightly warmer or nude undertone to use this type of blush for any video or any makeup. Clinique, this one, it ticks all the boxes. I have this one at home in UK, but I don't have this color in here. If you look at this, it suits Oriental skin tone very, very well. So when you put on the face, it's literally like a healthy glow. It just looks like your cheek looks healthy. You look young, energetic, and also the finish is not completely matte. It's more satin finish. Again, that's what I want to achieve, is skin finish. If you look at the glow on cheek, there is no highlighting product today. These small things make huge difference. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to click the like button and the most importantly to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one.